Hello there! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please do not forget to subscribe and click the bell button so you won't miss any new videos from me. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you how to save file in Microsoft Excel. So first, make sure to open the document or file that you want to save in Microsoft Excel. Let's try this one. So let's try this document right here. Now, how do we save this blank document? So first, you need to hover your cursor on the upper left corner of your screen or on your Microsoft Excel, and there's a tab for File. All you have to do is click that one, and there, you'll see several options under the File option, or File tab rather. And for you to save this file, you just need to click Save. Right after that one, click the Browse option, and here, on this part, it will allow you to select a specific folder on where as to where you can save the document. Let's try to click the downloads and then save it here on my folder. Since I already clicked or selected a folder, now you need to change the file name. So it depends on you. Example. Then stay the save as type as is. But if you want to change the file type, you can select this one. And then you'll see several options for the file type. And after that one, just click save. And there, if you can check it here, the file name was already changed. And yes, it was already saved. And that's how you save a file in Microsoft Excel. I do hope this video helped you. See you on my next videos, and bye for now.